学校英语练习绘画。
English practice conversation in school. English practice conversation in school.
嘿，你作业做完了吗？
Hey, did you finish the homework? Hey, did you finish the homework?
仅仅，太难了。
Barely. It was tough. Barely. It was tough.
相同的，数学很混乱。
Same. Math was confusing. Same. Math was confusing.
完全，我为此挣扎。
Totally. I struggled with it. Totally. I struggled with it.
你带午饭了吗？
Did you bring your lunch? Did you bring your lunch?
早上就打包了。你？
Yeah, packed it this morning. You? Yeah, packed it this morning. You?
我的也有，想坐在一起吗？
Got mine too. Want to sit together? Got mine too. Want to sit together?
当然，我们找个地方吧。
Sure, let's find a spot. Sure, let's find a spot.
你为了测验而学习了吗？
Did you study for the quiz? Did you study for the quiz?
有点，我希望这很容易。
Kinda, I hope it's easy. Kinda, I hope it's easy.
我也是，手指交叉。
Me too, fingers crossed. Me too, fingers crossed.
我们接下来有什么课？
What class do we have next? What class do we have next?
我认为科学。
Science, I think. Science, I think.
你喜欢科学吗？
Do you like science? Do you like science?
没关系，不是我最喜欢的。
It's alright, not my favorite. It's alright, not my favorite.
一样，不过今天可能会很有趣。
Same, but today might be fun. Same, but today might be fun.
确实，我们正在做实验。
True, we're doing experiments. True, we're doing experiments.
哦，酷，那会很有趣。
Oh cool, that'll be interesting. Oh cool, that'll be interesting.
想一起工作吗？
Want to work together? Want to work together?
绝对地，我们组成了一支优秀的团队。
Absolutely, we make a good team. Absolutely, we make a good team.
你见过新老师吗？
Have you seen the new teacher? Have you seen the new teacher?
是的，看起来很严格。
Yeah, seems pretty strict. Yeah, seems pretty strict.
我知道，我希望他们很好。
I know, I hope they're nice. I know, I hope they're nice.
我们拭目以待，第一印象，对吗？
We'll see. First impressions, right? We'll see. First impressions, right?
你要去参加集会吗？
Are you going to the assembly? Are you going to the assembly?
是的，这是强制性的。
Yeah, it's mandatory. Yeah, it's mandatory.
我希望它很短。
I hope it's short. I hope it's short.
同样，程序集可能很长。
Same, assemblies can be long. Same, assemblies can be long.
今天的主题是什么？
What's the topic today? What's the topic today?
关于学校俱乐部的一些事情。
Something about school clubs. Something about school clubs.
考虑加入吗？
Thinking of joining any? Thinking of joining any?
也许是艺术俱乐部，你。
Maybe the art club. You? Maybe the art club. You?
体育俱乐部，可能吧。
Sports club, probably. Sports club, probably.
听起来很有趣，祝你好运。
Sounds fun. Good luck. Sounds fun. Good luck.
谢谢，我们会看看进展如何。
Thanks. We'll see how it goes. Thanks. We'll see how it goes.
你带来你的项目了吗？
Did you bring your project? Did you bring your project?
是的，它在我的包里。
Yep, it's in my bag. Yep, it's in my bag.
我忘了我的了，好紧张。
I forgot mine. So nervous. I forgot mine. So nervous.
哦不，你能解释一下吗？
Oh no, can you explain it? Oh no, can you explain it?
我会尝试的，祈祷吧。
I'll try, fingers crossed. I'll try, fingers crossed.
放学后想一起学习吗？
Want to study together after school? Want to study together after school?
当然，图书馆，下午4点。
Sure, library, 4 p.m. Sure, library, 4 p.m.
完美，到时见。
Perfect, see you there. Perfect, see you there.
你听说过学校舞会吗？
Did you hear about the school dance? Did you hear about the school dance?
是啊，你要去吗？
Yeah, are you going? Yeah, are you going?
还不确定，你。
Not sure yet. You? Not sure yet. You?
也许吧，取决于主题。
Maybe, depends on the theme. Maybe, depends on the theme.
确实，主题让它变得有趣。
True, themes make it fun. True, themes make it fun.
确切的，服装创意。
Exactly. Costume ideas? Exactly. Costume ideas?
还没有，也许是一些简单的事情。
Not yet. Maybe something simple. Not yet. Maybe something simple.
好电话，保持轻松。
Good call. Keep it easy. Good call. Keep it easy.
今天午餐吃什么？
What's for lunch today? What's for lunch today?
我认为披萨。
I think pizza. I think pizza.
是的，我最喜欢的一天。
Yes, my favorite day. Yes, my favorite day.
我也是，喜欢披萨日。
Me too, love pizza day. Me too, love pizza day.
你知道我们的下一个任务吗？
Do you know our next assignment? Do you know our next assignment?
我想，是关于历史的一些事情。
Something about history, I think. Something about history, I think.
这听起来很棘手。
That sounds tricky. That sounds tricky.
是的，很多东西要记住。
Yeah, a lot to memorize. Yeah, a lot to memorize.
这周有测试吗？
Got any tests this week? Got any tests this week?
只有一篇英文的。你
Just one in English. You? Just one in English. You?
数学，我好紧张。
Math, and I'm so nervous. Math, and I'm so nervous.
你会做得很好，别担心。
You'll do great, don't worry. You'll do great, don't worry.
谢谢，我会尽力的。
Thanks, I'll try my best. Thanks, I'll try my best.
你听到早上的通知了吗？
Did you hear the morning announcement? Did you hear the morning announcement?
错过了，他们说什么？
Missed it, what did they say? Missed it, what did they say?
关于实地考察的一些事情。
Something about a field trip. Something about a field trip.
真的吗？太棒了！
Really? That's awesome. Really? That's awesome.